to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Mazda CX-80. The 2026 Mazda CX-80 is here to revolutionize the SUV market with its sophisticated design, advanced technology, and luxurious features. As a 7-seat SUV, it caters to families and individuals seeking style, comfort, and performance in a single package. This vehicle seamlessly combines Mazda's hallmark Kodo design language with cutting-edge innovations to offer an unforgettable driving experience. Mazda has pushed boundaries with the 2026 CX-80, introducing several exciting updates. Improved design. A sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette with sharper LED lighting elements and an updated grille. Advanced infotainment. A new generation infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display and enhanced connectivity options. Enhanced safety. Mazda's iActive Sense safety suite now includes semi-autonomous driving features, such as lane centering and adaptive cruise control with stop and go. Powertrain options. The introduction of hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants alongside traditional combustion engines. Luxury features. Premium upholstery options, ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof elevate the cabin experience. The 2026 Mazda CX-80 offers an interior designed for both elegance and practicality. Seating capacity. Spacious seating for 7 across 3 rows, with flexible configurations to accommodate passengers and cargo. Materials. High-quality Napa leather, open-pore wood accents, and aluminum trim create a refined ambience. Technology. A 12.3-inch central touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, wireless charging pad, and USB-C ports ensure connectivity and convenience for all passengers. Comfort features. Tri-zone automatic climate control, heated and ventilated seats, and ambient lighting enhance the ride experience. Cargo space. A generous cargo area with a power liftgate and folding rear seats ensures practicality for family adventures. Mazda has equipped the CX-80 with versatile engine options to suit various preferences. Base engine. A 2.5L 4-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower, ideal for everyday driving. Turbocharged option. A more powerful 2.5L turbocharged engine delivering up to 250 horsepower. Hybrid powertrain. Combines a 2.5L engine with an electric motor for enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Plug-in hybrid. Offers an electric-only range for short trips, perfect for eco-conscious buyers. Drivetrain. Standard front-wheel drive with optional all-wheel drive for improved traction in various conditions. The 2026 Mazda CX-80 is expected to hit dealerships in late 2025. Prices will start at approximately $42,000 for the base model, with higher trims and hybrid variants reaching up to $60,000. Pre-orders are anticipated to open by mid-2025, offering early buyers exclusive perks and custom configuration options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.